What if your brain tells you the person you love most is a dangerous imposter? That's the terrifying reality of Capgras delusion. Capgras delusion is a rare neurological disorder where someone believes a close friend or family member has been replaced by a duplicate or imposter. Here's the science behind it. Our brain has two key systems for recognizing people. The fusiform gyrus processes faces visually, so you know who you're looking at. The limbic system, especially the amygdala, attaches emotional significance to those faces. In Capgras, the connection between these two systems breaks down. The fusiform gyrus identifies the face correctly, but the limbic system fails to generate the usual emotional response. Without that emotional signal, the brain faces a conflict. I recognize this face, but it doesn't feel familiar. To resolve this mismatch, the mind creates a false belief. This must be an imposter pretending to be my loved one. This disconnection is often caused by brain injury, schizophrenia, or dementia, which damage pathways connecting face recognition and emotion. Capgras delusion reveals how deeply our emotions are tied to identity. We don't just see faces, we feel them. When that feeling is gone, reality fractures, and the mind invents terrifying explanations. Follow for more deep dives into the brain's darkest mysteries.